Hey guys, it's Brad from Bodyliner. I'm here in Christchurch at Northern Collision Centre in New Zealand, where we have this Land Cruiser completely coated in Bodyliner products. We have ultra smooth body liner with clear HD on top, textured for the highest impact areas, because this sucker got coated over a year ago and it looks fantastic. It's driving shingle roads, gravel roads for the Canadians. It's driving shingle roads every single day. And let's take a look at what it looks like after a year of heavy use. This truck has been used for overlanding, off-road. That front push bar has been pushing. The client is stoked because it washes beautifully. With the ingredients of ceramic coating built into Bodyliner, we have one of the highest gloss, best washing, smoothest liners to ever hit the market. We can see the front of this concrete truck has not been on the road for long, but she's taken a kicking. With Bodyliner, we're gonna take and stop this from happening, keeping your vehicle looking good, stopping the corrosion, and keeping your truck on the road. Bodyliner is the perfect product for commercial, fleet, trucks, and off-road use. With some of the strongest finishes on the market, you have the best washing, highest gloss, UV resistant. It can be adjusted to any color, high gloss, low gloss, no gloss. There's no limitations to Bodyliner in sheen, finish, or color. So if you're looking to protect your trucks, fleets, 4x4s, think no further than the Fleet Group, Northern Collision Centre, and Bodyliner.